rehearse my song. Whoa, what the that's kind of pretty before it gets started, ain't it? Oh, Froggy when he courtin', he did ride Crambo. Froggy when he courtin', he did ride Crambo. Froggy when he courtin', he did ride a sword and a pick and a revolver by his side. Crambo killed flop do yellow bug, too lot of That's the hard part right in there, and then nephew. Crambo killed a flop-a-doodle yellow bug, too lot of diddy.
Okay, John. Hey, thanks for meeting me out there. I appreciate that.
And the yodel goes right in there.
Sending me home with a VHT Pittbull and another Music Man, RD50. Love it, man. So, let's get her powered on. Just spoiler alert, I did this already off camera, so no need for a current limiter. But you're going to see what's up in a moment. As she starts heating up, and then you'll get kind of a clue about the fact that all of the silk screening is burned off of the power tubes. You hear that? All right, now listen up. These guys are not happy. It's Class A. These are all mechanically noisy and microphonic, and this one in particular. Your preamp tubes as well. They're all very loud. So I'm going to remove the chassis from the shell, and then we'll take a peek at the caps. But for certain, you need a new quad of EL84s. There's another one tucked over here that may or may not be, that it's definitely microphonic. The phase inverter is quiet, but yeah, you probably have 4, 7, 8 tubes that need to be changed just right off the bat, so stand by. All right, John, you have you have a few scalded sockets here. Quite a few of them, as a matter of fact, are kind of scorched. Let's see if this stuff's going to come off. I'm going to grab some alcohol. Not just regular alcohol, some isopropyl alcohol. And then I'll show you some other things as well on the other side of the cab. So let's see if this stuff is going to come off. I hope it does. Okay, that's encouraging. That looks a lot better. That's awesome. All right, that makes me feel a lot better. Okay, so holy cow. So this thing needs a major cleanup. I know you said this little guy was in storage for a bit. So thank God that came off. But there's something on the other side that I need to draw your attention to. These sockets need to be thoroughly cleaned out. It almost looks, there's a lot of corrosion inside of these sockets, but that's not a big deal. Okay, stand by. Okay, so I have to do this by hand just because of the angle. You need a full cap job in here. Here's why. Okay, these are pretty good looking caps. That's getting suspicious. And then this guy is a goner. So we got to get him the hell out of there. And then here's the other thing of concern. The PCB above this EL84s is scorched. You can see how dark they are, and then it almost looks like, sorry, having a hard time focusing. And then I would want to touch up those joints as well. So obviously they're running these super hot, and they have the screens right on top. I mean, right on top of that. And look what they're doing here. Here's your, look at that. Is that the bias supply? We'll find out. All right, and then finally, I mean, these are just burned. You could see it there, just roasted. They all have a very dark roasted appearance there at the base. And then the absence of silk screening is another giveaway. Just roasted, buddy, sorry. All right, I'll reach out to you. Bye.